Have you probably experienced it before? Your iPhone freezes, or it's running slow, or maybe you're getting weird glitches. A reset can help fix issues like app crashing, Wi-Fi connectivity problems, or even a battery that's draining way too fast. Let's learn how to hard reset iPhone step by step. Steps to hard reset iPhone varies depending on the iPhone model. For iPhone 8 and later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Then release it. Your iPhone will restart. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo, then release them. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the top or side button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo, then release them. If the hard reset can't solve your problem, you can do a factory reset. Let's learn the difference between a hard reset and a factory reset. A hard reset is a method to reboot your device when the device is frozen or not responding. It forces the device to restart without changing your data or settings. However, a factory reset erases all data and settings on your device. It is used to completely wipe your device and troubleshoot significant software issues. So it's essential to back up your data before your factory reset your iPhone. There are two ways to factory reset your iPhone. Method 1. Factory reset iPhone via settings. First, go to the Settings app and tap the General option. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your choice. Your iPhone will start the factory reset process, which may take a few minutes. Method 2. Easy Mobi Unlock. If you forgot your iPhone passcode, you can use Easy Mobi Unlock to factory reset your iPhone easily. Step 1. Launch Easy Mobi Unlock on your computer. Choose Unlock Screen Passcode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Click Start. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone in recovery mode. Step 3. Confirm your iOS device and click Next to download the latest version of firmware. Step 4. Once the firmware is ready, click Unlock to factory reset your iPhone. Wait for this program to factory reset your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech guides.